Hi everybody, my name is Super Donkey, and I want to welcome you to Puppet Town. I'm faster than a wasquy wabbit, smarter than a wise old owl. I'm not just Donkey, I'm Super Donkey. And all of us puppets live here in Puppet Town, why we think it's the best place around. Oh, Puppet Town, it's where we live, it's the best place around. Oh, Puppet Town, we take frowns upside down. Oh, Puppet Town, I fly around and around and around. Oh, Puppet Town, to see what's going down. I fly up, 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 high in the air to see what's going on out there. Oh, Puppet Town, it's where we live, it's the best place around. Oh, Puppet Town, we take frowns, turn them upside down. Oh, Puppet Town, I fly around and around in Puppet Town. All right, everybody, let's go see what's going down in Puppet Town.
Ha ha! I'm still here, Super Donkey.
The Corona Bug. Ugh, we're not afraid of you.
I'm still here, though.
We are staying safe. The citizens of Puppet Town know how to exercise and take care of themselves, even if you are still around.
Like how?
Like gardening. I'm going to go visit my friend RT right now.
Gardening? No! Whoa! Why, howdy, Donkey.
It's Super Donkey.
Well, howdy, Super Donkey. Thanks for coming and visiting my garden.
Well, it's one of your super powers.
Yes, it is. I work on the garden real hard. I love it. It's part of what I'm doing to stay home and stay safe.
Oh, I'd love to hear more.
Me too. Let me tell you about what I've been working on. Oh, I've been working in the garden all spring and summer days. I've been working in the garden, why it helps pass the time away. Oh, can't you hear the birdies chirping? Why they rise up early in the morn? Can't you see my seeds are growing? Come on, garden, won't you grow? Oh, garden, won't you grow? Yeehaw! Garden, won't you grow? Garden, won't you grow for me? Garden, won't you grow? Garden, won't you grow? Garden, won't you grow for me? Woohoo! Some of the plants grow fast. Some of the plants grow slow. Some of the plants in the garden for eating and some are for show. Some of the plants grow fast, woo! Some of them go slow. Some are for eating and some are for show. Fee, fi, fiddly-I-O. I like watching my garden grow. Fee, fi, fiddly-I-O. Watching my garden grow. Yip, yip. Yippee! Yay! Ha!
Whoa, RT, that's amazing. What kind of vegetables and plants do you grow?
Oh, all kinds of things. Well, some things are flowers like marigolds and sunflowers and things like that. But other things are vegetables like snap peas. Oh, radishes. Those are fun. Tomatoes, pumpkins, carrot. Well, you know what?
What?
We might just need to see a garden parade.
A parade? I love parade.
Uh-oh. Well, then we better go this way, 'cause they're coming. Follow me. Walk this way.
Oh, hello everyone. My name is Gardenia. Aren't I gorgeous?
Hello there. I am Cornelia. I am a bit corny.
Captain Carrot! Want you to share it! Broccoli! It's good for you and me!
Wait. What do you think? I'm some kind of nut? Wait, I am. Whoa.
Roly poly, I'm a pumpkin! See you in the fall! Woo!
Wait. Let us not forget about lettuce. Hot pepper. I am a hot pepper, and I like to grow next to my friend Tomato. Oh, Tomato! Everyone say Tomato!
Oh, here I am. Sorry I'm late.
You really need to catch up.
Oh, wow!
And that was just some of the plants. You know, some of them take longer to grow.
Wow.
You know, the hardest part for me about gardening is that you have to wait. Well, you have to be patient.
Patient, waiting. Ugh.
It's not so bad. Garden keeps you pretty busy, especially if you're growing all kinds of different things like I am. And being patient, well, it's well worth it. You see, like I planted a pumpkin seed just a couple weeks ago, and it won't be ready till October.
Why, that's months away.
But it's worth the wait to pick your very own pumpkin off the vine. Same with making your own salad. Well, that happens a lot sooner. And I can tell you my favorite thing to eat in the whole garden.
What is it?
Picking a cherry tomato right off the vine that's still warm from the sun.
Wow. You know, RT, you live alone. Why do you have such a big garden?
Well, Donkey, another one of my superpowers is sharing.
Sharing. Now that is a superpower.
I have a big garden because I can share with my neighbors who might not have room to grow a garden. Even though you can grow on your patio and pots, you might not be able to grow as many tomatoes as, well, you know, Granny. Granny likes my tomatoes. She makes spaghetti sauce.
Granny makes the best spaghetti sauce.
And Robin, she doesn't have any room for a garden, but she loves raspberries. So I let her come over, and then she takes those raspberries and makes jams and jellies.
Oh, and she shares them with me. Oh, and I love your cucumbers. I make pickles, and then I share them with everybody else.
That's right. And you know what else? You know who else shares?
Who?
The bees. Well, we couldn't do any of this without the bees. They help pollinate everything.
Oh, they are busy.
Busy bees, that's right. Well, maybe Appy the apple could tell us more about the busy bees in pollination. Hey, Appy! Hello there. My name is Appy the apple, and I want you to know that apples and many of the other foods that you eat, fruits and vegetables, couldn't be here without our friends, dun da da da, the bees. You see, the bees, on their knees, carry pollen from blossom to blossom, and they help us so we can help you. Here's our story. I'm Appy the apple. I'm here to whet your appetite. I'm Appy the apple. I'm only here because pollen went for a flight. That's right. A buzzy bee carried me when I was just a pollen seed. I came from an apple blossom, oh, way up in an apple tree. I'm only here thanks to our friends, the honeybees. That's right, a buzzy bee carried me when I was just a pollen seed. You see, a honeybee, she flew from blossom to blossom. She carried that pollen on her legs. Now isn't that awesome? You know, there's lots of foods that wouldn't be here without the bees. That's why we think they are the bee's knees. That's right, a buzzy bee carried me when I was just a pollen seed. A buzzy bee carried me when I was just a pollen seed. Oh, I guess the honeybee had to buzz off. I suppose I should too. Bye-bye, butterfly. Oh, and bees. Woo-wee, Appy, that was a good song. Now, everybody, I don't want you to get intimidated or shy about growing a garden. You know, it's as big or small as you want it to be. You could have a little garden in your windowsill or out on your porch in a couple pots. Well, just as long as you start somewhere and that it's fun. There are many things to grow in the garden. You can put them in an egg carton, buy some starts at the garden store, put them in your window or straight outdoors. Find a soil plot or on your porch in a pot. You just need dirt, water, and a sunny spot. Watch for bugs and critters while you have to be a plant sitter. Make sure only good bugs are your visitors. The other thing you need to do is make sure you pick the weeds. Those are unwanted plants. You want to make sure that your plants that you're trying to grow get all the space you need.
Well, Artie, I've learned so much about gardening already from you today.
Well, there's a lot more to learn, Donkey, but it's good just to get your hands dirty.
Well, thank you for sharing your super powers with us. And it's a great way to stay home and stay safe
and busy and help feed your community.
Well, Artie, thank you.
Thank you, Donkey.
It's Super Donkey. I've got to go. Time for me to fly.
Bye, Super Donkey. Oh, oh, I better go. Take care of that garden, don't you know? Toodaloo, buckaroos.
Hey everybody, it was so great to go to Artie's garden and see some of the things that he's growing. Amazing! Maybe you want to grow your own garden. Next time, I'm going to Granny's house to see what she's cooking.
Gardening?
Hey, my friends. The puppet show has come to an end. Hey, thanks for tuning in and giving our show a spinny spin. Oh, we hope you enjoyed the show. Please hit the like button so we know. Goodbye. We hope you give our show another try. Bye, everybody. Time for me to fly.